Just here you go. What's up, my people? So celebrating my birthday, and as some of you know, I always get a gift to myself every year on my birthday. So I got 11 kg Hisense semi-automatic washing machine, and it's a really good thing, for always gifting yourself. For me, I always gift myself just to reward myself for never giving up and for always staying focused. So after I was done paying for the washing machine at the showroom, transporting this thing back home was a very serious challenge because it started raining heavily. Well, all thanks to the driver for really helping out and not stressing me at all. So at the showroom, I had to test the washing machine to make sure everything is working fine, and I was pretty impressed with what I saw. So it came with everything that you need. It came with the water pipe that you connect to your tap so you can get water into the machine. So there is water detergent inside of it right now, so I'm going to turn it on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, for sure, I'm very happy I got this machine because it washes my clothes very well and it washes them very, very fast. Now my laundry is very easy to do. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. All right, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.